YouTube, you're watching Ravereviewstv, and today we're going to be taking a look at the application Ichi, developed by Stolen Couch Games. Ichi is a very fun game. It is a puzzling application. If you are a fan of puzzler applications, then this is definitely a great game for you. And if you are a fan of great deals, this is a great game for you as well. This game is 99 cents. It is iOS universal, and it includes 50 levels right off the bat. So you have a lot of gameplay right there, which is very fun. This game is Game Center enabled as well as cloud enabled, which is nice because let's say I wanted to play a little bit on my iPad, then I could finish the game up on my iPod and no big deal, all my game content would be right there, right where I left off. So that is very nice. Right here on the home screen we're going to have a few different options. We're going to have Start Game, Create, Information, Credits, Facebook, Twitter, and Sound, and then right over here you're going to have Play More Levels. This Play More Levels tab is pretty cool because let's say you wanted to maybe play some user levels that somebody else created, which the Create tab enables you to do as well. But let's say you wanted to play somebody else's levels, you may do so via this tab. There are so many levels that you can play for free until you do have to make an in-app purchase, which is only 99 cents, and that buys out all the levels for you. And then you add about 600. You add exactly 600 more levels to your game, which is pretty cool. So for $1.99, you have about a 650 level game right there, which is not a bad deal at all. But this is even with the stock levels, there is a lot of gameplay to be played, a lot of game to be played. So there you go there. So there is a each level is rated by an A through F scale, just like you're in school. So that's something to keep in mind right there. And we're just going to hop right into a level, and I will explain to you guys how to play Ichi. So here we go. Level 8, and here it is. Alrighty, so this game is fairly simple. There are a few little stipulations, there's a few rules that you need to, I guess, be aware of right here. The one being that the basic goal is to take this little, this yellow dot right here and eliminate all of these other yellow circles from the screen. You do that by toggling the triangles that are on the screen. You're going to have 3 different types of triangles. The red ones you can move in different directions by simply just tapping the screen. There's going to be a blue triangle that does not move at all, that you have to play that one as is. And then there is a transparent blue triangle that you can turn on and off, but you cannot change its position. So there you go. The one thing that you do not want to do is run into these spikes that are on the sides or on the barriers or on the perimeter of the actual game board, so you do not want to do that. Then you may notice these rocks right here. That is there only to help you. That's good sometimes, and normally it's always good. So that's just something to keep in mind. Now, without further ado, let me hop into the actual gameplay itself. Now, by simply tapping the screen, there you go. So right here, that initiates the level. And as you notice right here, is when I tap the screen, these triangles change their position. And that just changes the angle on it for which I can move or manipulate this yellow ball for me, which is very good. Now, I did earn an A on that level right there, as it says, and the way you accomplish that is it's dictated by how many times you tap the screen. So I'll show you guys what I mean by that in just a moment. Let me find another level to play on. 1 second. The loading is a little bit inconsistent. Some's fast, some slow, but I mean, for the most part, it's not too big of a deal. Where is it? Right here. There's a good one. Alright, so what I meant by the tap thing is that, or how many times you can tap the screen, as you notice right here, right under this A, there's a number 7. What that means is that I have 7 taps to earn an A rating. At least, or if I can finish this level in at most 7 taps, in at least 7 taps, then I get an A rating. So there you go right there. Now, let's say I were to do 8, then I would go down to a B, and I'm assuming if I go down to 14, then I would get a C, and then so on. So I think that's how it goes. I haven't gotten that far down, but I assume that's how that works. So, like, right here, let's try this one out by simply tapping here and going back. Alrighty, and then go up here. Now, I'm out of taps, but I believe I finished the puzzle properly, so it should work out. And then there you go. So that's really the application. There's all sorts of different obstacles that I haven't even mentioned that are included in this game. But overall, it's just a very fun game. It's an extremely addicting game. I mean, I've beaten 40 levels, or about somewhere around 40 levels. I'm not exactly sure how many, but exactly around 40 levels in about a day. But I might make the in-app purchase if I feel that I need to. But this game is very fun. There's some gameplay to be had. There's definitely a lot to be had, especially if you do make the in-app purchase. But overall, this is just definitely a game I would recommend picking up. I like this game a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I ask you guys to please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video.